Hi guys, good morning. We're here to check out one of the latest drones from DJI, the Mavic Air. And to help us, we got Ronald from Singapore Hobby to bring us through the features. So what's the difference between the Mavic Pro and the Mavic Air?
For the Mavic Pro, about the camera, it shoots Full HD at 90 frames per second, whereas for the Mavic Air, it shoots at 120.
120 is better for slow-mo, right?
Yes. For the obstacle avoidance, for the Mavic Pro, we have it in the front and below, whereas for the Mavic Air, we have it in the front, at the back, and below. So it's safer.
Obstacle avoidance from the back. So if you're flying and you got something behind you, you don't have to worry about it.
Yes.
That's always good, right?
Yes. Next, we'll talk about the flight time. For the Mavic Pro, it's said to fly about 22 minutes. For the Mavic Air, it's 16.
Okay.
Now, for propellers, for Mavic Pro, they are foldable, whereas for the Mavic Air, it's non-foldable.
Right.
This is a Mavic Pro remote. Comes with the LCD screen that has indication of the flight mode, battery life. Whereas for the Mavic Air, it doesn't have. So all the information is taken from
the phone itself. So either you get all on your phone, or you have some on your phone and some on the screen. Probably, I don't know, it's a trade-off, I suppose. But this is a lot smaller.
Yes,
kinda.
And a bit lighter.
Yeah.
For the Mavic Air, it comes with propeller guards, right, to fly safer in tight conditions, and also a semi-hard case.
So it seems like the Air is a lot more about safety, because you got prop guards, you got rear collision avoidance.
Of course, another advantage of the Air is that when it's folded, it's actually a lot smaller than the Mavic Pro.
Right.
So for travelers, it's more convenient.
So there you go, the DJI Mavic Air. Smaller, safer, and lighter. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you next time.